Transform your Squarespace store into a shopper's paradise by mastering the art of product collections. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly organize your products into distinct collections, making it a breeze for your customers to discover exactly what they're looking for. First, log into your Squarespace account and head over to your website's dashboard from there. Find the Commerce tab on the left-hand menu, and then select Products. On your Products page, you'll see all your existing items to create a new collection. Look for the Add Product button, click on it, and then choose Collection from the drop-down menu. Now you're on the Create Collection screen. The most important step here is to give your collection a clear and descriptive title. Think about what your customers would search for example, summer dresses, handmade jewelry, or kitchen essentials. You can also add a description to provide more context and detail about what this collection contains. This is a great opportunity to highlight the theme or benefits of the products within. Once your collection is named and described, it's time to populate it. You can either add products specifically to this new collection as you create them, or you can edit existing products and assign them to this collection. Look for the Add Products button within your collection settings to browse and select items. You have full control over how products appear within your collection. You can easily drag and drop them to reorder, ensuring your best sellers or most relevant items are displayed prominently. Don't stop at just one. You can create multiple collections to categorize your entire inventory. For instance, you might have menswear, women's wear, and within women's wear, you could have subcollections like tops, bottoms, and outerwear. Once you've saved your collections, they'll automatically appear on your Squarespace website, typically in your navigation menu or as filters on your shop page. This organized structure significantly improves user navigation and boosts your e-commerce sales.